Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crypto Giants. Here I tell you about projects which I feel can go absolutely parabolic in the upcoming bull run. Please like and subscribe to my channel with the notification on so that you do not miss on my videos and also do not miss on the chance of making money. In my last video, I told you about a project Bully which I feel can go absolutely parabolic. अगर आपने वो वीडियो मिस किया हो तो लिंक ऊपर दिया गया है, प्लीज उसे जरूर देखें. टुडे I'll talk to you about a project which is KuCoin listed and एक वो layer 1 EVM project है जो कि मेरे अकॉर्डिंग it's one of the fastest, it's one of the greenest and it's one of the safest project which can do amazingly well in the coming few months. Before diving deep into the details of the project, let me brief you on the market sentiments. So guys, in the last 7 days we have seen a huge volatility in the market across the financial markets. पिछले 7 दिनों में बिटकॉइन बहुत ज़्यादा डाउन ट्रेंड में है एंड जिसकी वजह से उसका इम्पैक्ट ऑल्ट कॉइन्स में भी देखने मिला है और ऑल्ट कॉइन्स तो अब भारी डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस में अवेलेबल है. एंड ये शॉर्ट टर्म वोलेटिलिटी है बिकॉज द एडॉप्शन ऑफ क्रिप्टो इज हैपनिंग थिक एंड फास्ट. एंड माइंड यू, इन कमिंग मंथ्स, इन कमिंग फ्यू ईयर्स मुझे लगता है कि क्रिप्टो एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट विल बी द नंबर 1 चॉइस फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ अस. सो बिना लेट किए मैं आपको बताता हूं एक ऐसे ऑल्ट कॉइन के बारे में विच आई फील can be the top 30 altcoins in the coming months. The project I am so bullish about is Telos. So Telos is a scalable solution for Solidity based apps. Although it is a fork of Go Ethereum code, but it also harnesses the technology of Telos, which is why it is class apart from its competitors. अगर मैं बात करूं इसके क्लोजेस्ट कंपेटिटर सोलाना के बारे में, तो सोलाना लास्ट 4-5 मंथ्स में कम से कम 4 या 5 बार आउटेज हो चुका है. फनी फैक्ट इज इवन इथेरियम वाज आउटेज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द अदर साइड लैंड मेटा मिंट. सो व्हाई एम आई सो कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट टेलॉस? Here are few reasons. The reason why I am so bullish about Telos is because it is very fast and it is very scalable. Telos completes around 10,000 transactions per second at 0.5 second per block, which is very fast as compared to its competitors like Solana, Avalanche or Matic. Ethereum की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है is its unregulated transaction and high congestion. And this is where Telos comes into picture. Let me give you an example. अगर आप एक कैब बुक करते हो अपने घर से अपने ऑफिस तक जाने के लिए और वो कैब आपसे 100 रुपये चार्ज कर रहा है और वो ट्रिप 5 मिनट में कंप्लीट कर रहा है, लेकिन नेक्स्ट डे वो ही ड्राइवर वो ही कैब आपसे 1000 रुपये चार्ज कर रहा है और ट्रिप कंप्लीट करने के लिए आधा घंटा ले रहा है. विल यू बी ओके विद इट? दिस इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इथेरियम एंड दिस इज हाउ Telos solves the problem. Telos has a fixed gas fee which is very minuscule and there is no front running, जिसके वजह से there is no congestion. Another reason why I'm so bullish about Telos is because it is eco-friendly. The Telos blockchain is quite energy efficient and it aims to reduce its carbon offsetting, which is very noble and which is very much desirable. Thirdly, all the decision in Telos is community owned, whether it is a proposal or a board thing. Each and every decision is taken by community consensus through its governance engine. Another amazing thing about Telos is its Telos Ignite grant program, which has around more than $15 million fund available with them, so that any developer who is willing to develop on the Telos platform can approach them and the Telos team will help them from start to end, which is very bullish according to me. Telos right now has more than 100 plus DApps which are being built or which has already been built on the Telos blockchain. Some of the prominent applications that I can remember that have been built on Telos are Zappy, API3, TofuNet, OmniDex, T-Squirrel, Telos Punk, and many more. The current market cap of Telos is $171 million approx, which is very minuscule as compared to its major competitors. So a minimum of 5x from here is almost certain for a project like Telos. The current altcoin rank of Telos is at 133 and I feel in the coming months it will be the top 30 altcoin projects. The social volume of Telos is also quite good. It is being frequently mentioned across the social platforms. So Telos as a project has huge potential and a market cap of $1 billion is easily achievable. And this is why I feel so bullish about investing in Telos. So guys, don't miss this gem and load your bags. This was all about Telos. All the social links of Telos are provided in the description section below. Please let me know what you feel about Telos as a project. And hope to see you soon guys in my next video. Thank you so much.